Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to take Moringa seeds. First, consider the recommended dosage, which is typically 1 to 3 seeds daily for adults. It's best to start with a smaller amount and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or existing health conditions. This ensures you get the most benefit safely. Preparing Moringa seeds is quite simple. Begin by carefully removing the thin, papery outer shell from each seed. You'll find a soft, white kernel inside, which is the part you'll consume. Discard any seeds that appear discolored or damaged to ensure you're only using fresh, high-quality kernels. This simple step ensures you're ready for the next stage of consumption. There are a few easy ways to consume your prepared Moringa seeds. The most common method is to simply swallow the kernel whole with a glass of water, much like taking a pill. Alternatively, you can chew the kernel thoroughly before swallowing, which some people prefer for better absorption. For versatility, you can also grind the seeds into a fine powder and add it to smoothies, yogurt, or other foods. Moringa seeds are known for their rich nutritional profile, offering a convenient way to support your overall well-being. Many people find that incorporating them into their daily routine provides a natural boost. Remember to stay consistent for the best results and always pair them with a balanced diet. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.